Hello friends, welcome to my new video. Today, we will discuss some interesting kitchen tools. Before watching this video, subscribe to the channel as soon as possible and click on the bell icon to watch new videos first. Discover the best kitchen gadgets and tools on Amazon that make cooking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or a pro chef, these kitchen essentials are must-haves for every modern home. Upgrade your kitchen today with the most useful gadgets and tools available on Amazon. So let's see what products are on the list in this video. Clean Duster Sponge. Damp Clean Duster Sponge. JMI Damp Clean Duster Sponge can help you easily remove dust, debris, hair, and stains in your home so that you no longer worry about dirty cleaning. Wear-resistant and sturdy, the high-density cleaning sponge needs to be soaked and softened before each use, and it can be reused after washing and drying. The U-shaped groove design of the sponge cleaning brush is easier to remove dust particles and has strong versatility. Strong water absorption. Dense water absorption holes can absorb a large amount of water and have strong water absorption. After the dusting sponges is fully soaked, it will become softer and have better cleaning power. Package contents contains 4 pieces gray of JMI baseboard cleaner sponges. Warm tip, pre-moistened sponge. Packaging has water vapor. Deep fryer, oil filtration system. Advanced technology automatically filters and stores oil in a sealed container, ensuring easy cleanup and cost savings through reusable oil. Enjoy hassle-free deep frying with this innovative feature. Precise temperature control. Adjust from 300°F to 375°F for optimal frying results. The thermostat ensures consistent heat, preserving authentic flavors and achieving the perfect golden brown exterior every time. Safety features. Equipped with a locking lid, large viewing window, cool touch handles, and automatic shutoff. These safety measures provide peace of mind, allowing for worry-free operation during your frying sessions. Easy cleaning. Dishwasher-safe components include the cooking basket, bowl, lid, and oil box. Experience the convenience of professional-grade deep frying at home with minimal cleanup effort required. Cosori Air Fryer 9-in-1. Innovative TurboBlaze technology delivers a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed and temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, achieving crispy, juicy results every time. Cosori's unique 5-fan speed system and precise 90 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit temperature control deliver evenly cooked dishes with perfect texture in every bite. The basket and crisper tray feature a premium ceramic coating that is non-stick, durable, and heat-resistant to improve your cooking experience. Innovative TurboBlaze technology helps speed up cooking and save time to deliver perfectly crispy family meals, even on busy days. Classic Pizza Wheel. Slice pizza like a pro. Pizza restaurants use a roller cutter like this one. The sharp blade makes a clean cut in any crust and, unlike using a knife, actually presses the crust and toppings together, keeping the toppings on your pizza. Super sharp blade. The wheel is crafted from high-quality, premium 430 stainless steel that will stay sharp and resist rust. It is perfect for slicing pizza, waffles, pies, or cookie dough. Ergonomic handle for comfort. The angled wheel allows optimal comfort and performance when slicing hot pizza straight out of the oven. The built-in finger guard protects your hands from both the blade and the heat. The sleek design of the handle gives it a premium feel as well. The glossy ABS handle features a debossed logo, as well as an ABS chrome-plated bolster and end cap. Dishwasher safe. No more worrying about how to clean stuck food from your pizza cutter. Simply place it in the dishwasher for a thorough full cleanup. 2-tier large dish drying rack. Space-saving design. This 2-tier cutlery rack provides plenty of air-drying space for cutlery, utensils, and more on your kitchen counter. Durable construction. Made of sturdy metal with a draining board and utensil holder for easy use. Groove drain boards and spouts remove excess water, keeping countertops dry and preventing messes. Organized storage. Individual compartments keep dishes, cups, and cutlery neatly organized. Spacious capacity. Measuring 16.54D into 11.81W into 17.71H. It fits neatly on most countertops and holds up to 11 plates, 6 cups, and multiple utensils. Easy maintenance. Parts are removable for easy cleaning and drying. Rotary food mill. Premium stainless steel craftsmanship. Built to last, Our food mill is made from heavy-duty stainless steel that resists rust, warping, and wear, even when working with hot foods like stewed tomatoes or boiled apples. It's not only a food mill, but can double as a colander or steamer for added versatility in your kitchen. Effortless turning with ergonomic handle. Say goodbye to sore arms. Our ergonomic rotary handle with a spring-loaded lever delivers smooth, low-resistance turning, making food prep quicker and easier for everything from silky mashed potatoes to homemade applesauce. Stable, secure on bowls and pots. Thoughtfully designed side hooks, ears, rest securely on a wide range of bowls and pots, keeping the mill steady while you work. Each hook is double welded for added stability, so you can mill with confidence and control. Ninja Mega Kitchen System. Powerful 1,500 watt motor. Crush ice, blend frozen fruit, and power through tough ingredients with the 2 horsepower motor, designed for professional results. Total crushing technology. The XL72 Oz asterisk pitcher, ideal for large batches and entertaining, features total crushing blades that crush ice to snow in seconds and powers through tough ingredients. Asterisk 64 Oz max liquid capacity. On the go convenience. Includes 2 16 ounces. Nutri Ninja cups with to-go lids, perfect for personalized shakes and smoothies. 8-cup food processing. Delivers consistent, even chopping, pureeing, and mixing. Includes a dedicated chopping blade, plus dough blade, capable of mixing up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. Versatile functions. Choose from 4 functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve, that best fits your recipe and meal prep needs. Cooking torch. Safe, sturdy creme brulee torch. The safety lock could prevent accidental ignition. Also, the ergonomic design provides comfort to your hand and keep away from the flame. The aluminum alloy material adopted makes it more resistant and sturdy. Refillable portable. This butane torch lighter can be refilled after running out of use. With 3 butane adapters included, it's compatible with all types of butane tanks, whether with long or short nozzle. This mini butane torch is small and lightweight, easy to hold. Butane gas not included. Versatile. You can easily control the flame temperature according to your needs. Max 1,371 degrees Celsius per 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Such as caramelizing food, soldering DIY jewelry, cooking, barbecue, baking, brulee, cream, DIY soldering, bar cocktails, camping, and craft. Auto electric can opener. Effortless can opening. Hands-free operation. Smoothly opens cans with minimal effort. Easy operation. Open almost any cans with our electric can opener. Press the button to start. Cuts cleanly along the side of cans, leaving smooth edges. Press the button again to stop. Thoughtful gift idea. A practical and versatile gift for family and friends, suitable for kitchen enthusiasts and anyone seeking convenience. Smooth edge design. The blade cuts along the side of the can, reducing food contact, prevents spills, and leaves smooth, rounded edges. User-friendly design. Ergonomic design allows for strain-free use. Ideal for elderly individuals and those with limited hand strength. Convenient cooking. Save energy and simplify meal prep with a tool designed for easy and efficient use. KitchenAid Artisan Series Stand Mixer. Fabric type: zinc, stainless steel. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best matches your style and personality. The Power Hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center with more than 15 optional attachments available. 5QT. Stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle offers enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch. 59-point planetary mixing action means 59 touch points per rotation around the bowl for thorough ingredient incorporation. Choose from all the color options to find the one that best matches your style and personality. The Power Hub turns your stand mixer into a culinary center with more than 15 optional attachments available. 5QT. Stainless steel bowl with comfortable handle offers enough capacity to mix dough for 9 dozen cookies or 4 loaves of bread in a single batch.